All right, welcome back, everybody. There is a lot going on. There always is a lot going on. I'm using the global satellite. This is about as big as the vantage point gets here. And we have count them, five tropical systems that are out, not only in the Atlantic, but also the Eastern Pacific. There is Jessica out in the Eastern Pacific. Fernand, that is a new tropical storm that is going to make landfall more so into Mexico. Of course, we've got Dorian, and then these two systems, I'm going to get out of the way, one all the way almost off of the coast of Africa there. Those are two just tropical depressions right now that may develop into tropical storms, and the one all the way at the right-hand side of the screen could affect the East Coast in about another 10 days. But five tropical systems lined up right there. Of course, we still have Dorian, and we've got a little spin here that is moving up through the Pacific Northwest, moving towards Montana. A few isolated thunderstorms are beginning to pop up, but what this low will do as it moves right over the Canadian border, northern Montana here, that is going to increase the pressure tomorrow. And what that does is increase the wind. So we've got higher wind, higher fire danger likely for tomorrow. The fires that are technically still burning right here, not a lot of activity today. Yes, we did have a few small fires develop, but tomorrow will be very similar to Labor Day, where we had very high fire danger because of that wind. On the radar, notice just a couple little green specks out there. There may be an isolated thunderstorm approaching Butte, America, possibly as far northeast as Helena, but that will likely dry out before we even get close. But here's a closer look at Dorian now. It continues to weaken here, but the hurricane force winds are extending to the Florida coast, but Florida really spared compared to the Bahamas, especially looking at this line of islands right here, maybe no more than 20 feet above sea level. And from really Marsh Harbor all the way over Freeport to a larger city, absolute devastation and destruction. Really, really just a sad situation there. But winds now down to 110 miles per hour. The peak was 185. 110 is a lot less, but it is still a very, very powerful hurricane here as it moves off towards the north. It may strengthen a little bit. It looks like the eye is beginning to form once again, but Dorian is expected to move right up parallel to the southeast coast here, maybe making landfall close to South Carolina, North Carolina as a strong category 2, but a lot of flooding, a lot of beach erosion, some very bad conditions along the east coast here. Even southeast New England could get brushed by hurricane force conditions here. Here in Montana, no, we don't have a hurricane, but we have our own potential for a natural disaster tomorrow. The winds picking up once again, high fire danger, a lot of the state under a red flag warning. Please be careful tomorrow. Be careful Thursday as well. It won't be as windy, but it will still be hot and dry, and then beautiful rain comes through here on Friday. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Hot, windy, low humidity, high fire danger, and tomorrow could be one of the last really extreme fire danger days of the season. Thursday, the wind dies down. Notice it still is very warm. Enjoy that warmth because look at the cooler temperatures along with the rain coming through here on Friday. Yes, thunderstorms, but we're talking rain with the thunderstorms. And good news is that low moves out for Saturday. Saturday looking pretty nice. Additional good news, we've got more moisture on the way. Sunday looks fairly stormy, especially right around midday through the afternoon or the evening. Solid rain likely Sunday night into Monday. How about those cooler temperatures? Maybe highs only in the 50s by the time we get into Tuesday. And with highs that cool in the lower elevations, that means cold enough for snow. Maybe snow levels Tuesday into Wednesday as low as about 8,000 feet for some of the mountains. A sign of the season's changing.
Yeah, cooler temperatures starting, I don't know, maybe this Saturday would be a good thing, I think.
Sure. Yeah, just for you.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thanks. And Sam, what do you got for me? How can you help me?
High school football, maybe?
Yeah, that'll work. Well,
All right.
a day for me.
All right.